Hey everyone! If you want to create professional step-by-step guides without spending hours writing instructions manually, Guidde AI can help automate the entire process. In this video, I'll show you how to create step-by-step guides in Guidde AI from start to finish in 2026. First, sign in to your Guidde AI account and make sure the Guidde browser extension is installed. The extension allows Guidde to capture your actions and automatically turn them into a structured guide. Next, open the website, application, or workflow you want to document. Once you're ready, click the Guidde extension icon and start a new capture. Give your guide a title and begin recording. Now perform the task exactly as you want others to follow it. As you move through the process, Guidde automatically captures screenshots and records each action. Once everything is ready, preview the guide to ensure all steps are accurate and easy to follow. Then publish it and share it using a direct link or embed it into your website, knowledge base, or training portal. For the best results, keep guides concise, avoid unnecessary actions during recording, and always review the AI-generated content before publishing. And that's how to create step-by-step guides in Guidde AI in 2026. With just a few clicks, you can turn any workflow into a professional guide that others can easily follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.